To solve this equation algebraically, we need to move everything to one side of the equation. So if we subtract 4x from both sides, okay, we have our 5x squared, then minus 20x, and then plus 15, but we can also move the 5 over. So we add 5 to both sides, okay, and that'll give us a plus 20 there, and then it's equal to 0. So now that we have a 0 on this side, we can go ahead and factor. We have a common factor of 5. We have 5 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Okay, now this quadratic, that's pretty easy to factor. Okay, that is just x minus 2 times x minus 2. So, in order for this product to equal 0, we must have that x minus 2 is equal to 0. Adding 2 to both sides, we get x equals 2. So that's our solution algebraically. For a graphical solution, we can do it in two ways. One way is to graph both sides of this equation. So let's go ahead and do that. We graph our 5x squared minus 16x plus 15. And then we will graph 4x minus 5. So click Tab to put in another function, 4x minus 5, hit Enter. All right, we're looking for the point of intersection because when two functions are equal to each other, that means we're looking for the point of intersection. We'll go to Menu and Analyze Graph. We can find the intersection point. So you click Intersection. It then asks for a lower bound down here. So we're going to move left to the point of intersection, which is right around here, and click, and then ask for an upper bound. We move to the right, and you can see it highlights the intersection once it's found it. You click, and there's the point. Okay, 2, 3. And of course, we're just looking for the x value, so that gives us our x equals 2. The other option is to, let me add a graph, to graph the left side of this equation when we got everything equal to 0. So 5x squared minus 20x plus 20. And then look for the 0 of that function. Okay, in other words, the y or the x-intercept. And we can find that by doing Menu, Analyze Graph, and 0. Okay, again, it asks for a lower bound, so you click just somewhere to the left of that 0, and then move over to the right and click, and you get your 0, the point 2, 0. Of course, again, we just care about the x value, so we get x equals 2.